Ever wondered what makes Windermere stand out among other Orlando communities? Today we're taking you on an exclusive tour of a stunning new construction neighborhood that's currently under construction and raising the bar for luxury living. Plus, we'll dive into the surrounding area and the exciting potential for future development. Windermere is a highly sought-after area known for its upscale properties and excellent quality of life. The community we're about to explore as part of Windermere's latest wave of development, offering residents an exclusive and unique living experience. Welcome to the Palms of Windermere. This is our featured new construction community. We are just off of Reams Road and a few miles from the 429 Turnpike, which makes commuting very easy. You're about 30 to 40 minutes from downtown Orlando and the International Airport. One of the best things about living here is how close you are to Disney. You're just about a 10-minute drive from the entrance of all 4 Disney parks. Even better though, you're close enough to the parks, but you don't have to deal with all of the tourist traffic, so you really get the best of both worlds. Palms of Windermere is set to have 57 home sites, all with 65-foot wide lots. There are 8 different floor plans to choose from. You have 2,700 square feet all the way up to a little over 4,400 square feet. So whether you're looking for a cozy retreat or a more expansive home, there's something here for you. Pricing for the community is going to start in the low 900s. Right now, we're going to take a look at the Arlington with bonus, which is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath at 3,100 square feet. We're excited to show you this, so let's take a look. Just as you're walking in, you have this ample foyer area. You have high ceilings, and as you're coming through, there's 2 secondary bedrooms. You have a nice size, decent sized closet that you have here, but you can see it's probably a queen size bed. And the next one is going to be pretty similar in size. The bathroom here is shared, so it does have a tub. So the concept here is completely open. It's beautiful because you have your living room combined with the dining room, and then you have your open to the kitchen area. So this is very inviting. Like I said, a lot of natural light when you're walking through the home. We're gonna check out the kitchen because there's a huge island that I absolutely love and plenty of cabinet space. I love this kitchen island. It is oversized, beautiful quartz countertop. What's really nice is that when you have the dining room, this is a great spot as a secondary seating area. So perfect when you have your guests, you're entertaining. As far as the cabinets in here, you have, I feel that you pretty much have good space for storage, gourmet kitchen, and a really nice plus is that the community comes with natural gas. So we're in the owner's retreat right now, which you can see is a very decent size. You have high ceilings. This is located on the first floor. You have his and her closets, and we're gonna take a look now at the bathroom. So here in the bathroom, you have your dual vanities, a makeup area right here. You have a standalone tub, nice size shower where you can do the option of having a rain shower head as well. I am a fan that when you have your outdoor living space, that you also have a bathroom that's pretty close by. So right here, you would come from your outdoor lanai area, you have a full bathroom, and then there's also a beautiful office space. So we're up here on the 2nd level, and right as you come up, you have this nice little landing space, and then you're greeted to this huge bonus room right here. So you pretty much can decide what you want to do with it in here. And there's going to be options as well. So if you're wanting to know some of the options that are with this home, feel free to reach out to us. We can tell you more details on that. So upstairs, you have the 2 additional bedrooms that are here. They are oversized, beautiful space in here. Just a little bit down the hallway, you're gonna have your shared bathroom, and then you have the additional bedroom. Again, an oversized bedroom. The space in there is great. The amenities in the community will include pickleball courts and a tot lot. Right now, the builder is doing interest rates as low as 2.99%. They are also contributing towards closing costs and flex money, which you can use towards design options. So if you have any questions on this, feel free to reach out to us. So what do I love about this area? I'm in one of my favorite little spots. It's a cozy little French cafe right here in the Hamlin area. They serve Paris-inspired dishes, and the Hamlin area is just full of amazing places and experience for everyone in the family to enjoy. The Hamlin Town Center is your one-stop shop for everyday conveniences. If you're coming here, you're about a 7-minute drive away from the Palms of Windermere community in less than 4 miles. This location has grown so much. You have shops, dining, entertainment. There's literally over 400,000 square feet of all that stuff right here. And the area is one of the fastest growing in the US, with the population increasing since 2010 at 70%. From a beautiful Publix and Walmart supercenter to luxury movie theater called the Cinepolis and urban air adventure park, Hamlin Town Center has it all. Plus, some incredible new additions are coming soon, like the Tiger Woods inspired putt-putt called Pop Stroke. It's gonna have a full restaurant. You have the lakeside tiki bar and a popular soda bar concept that's under construction right now called Swig. The best part is the area is set up for even more growth in the coming years. They're going to have the Lake Orange Expressway, which is a significant thing for Central Florida. This is gonna be about 4.5 miles extending from US 27, which is in Lake County, to the 429 in Orange County. So what does this mean for the area? Well, once the expressway is completed, this is definitely going to give us a lot more accessibility. So the people that are located over in Lake County will be able to come over, and it's just going to increase this as another prime location. Thank you for joining us on this tour of this new construction community located in Windermere, Florida. If you are interested, or someone you might know that could be interested, reach out to Valstar Realty. We're here to assist you. Hit that like button, subscribe button, and let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thank you all for joining us again. Have a wonderful day.